Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover the never-seen-before technology that creates fully automated, 100% done-for-you ClickBank affiliate sites that instantly rank themselves on Google in just 3 easy clicks, with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So if you too are willing to cash in on this latest trend and generate cool commissions hands-free from the world's biggest affiliate program, without paying huge monthly fees for third parties, without worrying for creating a single site yourself, without hiring expensive freelance content creators, without creating a single post yourself, and without writing reviews daily that don't give real results, you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting CBNova. Never seen before, artificial intelligence-based 5th generation bar technology that creates fully automated, 100% done-for-you ClickBank affiliate sites loaded with hot content, reviews for trending products that instantly rank themselves on Google for a low one-time price. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, select niche. Number 3, profit. And that's it. You're all set to create tons of premium affiliate sites and make crazy commissions with zero grunt work on your end. Here are some of its amazing features. First, to market artificial intelligence-based 5th generation BARD technology that creates fully automated, 100% done-for-you ClickBank affiliate sites like never before. Create premium ClickBank affiliate sites that get high ranks on Google in 3 easy clicks. Use artificial intelligence to automate everything and create top-notch affiliate sites on the fly. Ensure complete monetization using reviews and videos for top products like never before. Fill your sites with daily reviews on top trending products across ClickBank. Easily make tons of commissions from world's leading affiliate platform ClickBank. Create sites for any offer in any niche with no prior tech hassles or coding skills. Stop paying huge monthly to expensive third-party affiliate site creation platforms. Stop falling prey and paying monthly to plagiarism check platforms. Use these stunning affiliate sites to create multiple set and forget passive income streams. Join the thousands of marketers who are making billions of dollars on ClickBank. Never worry about paying huge money monthly to expensive third-party platforms. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology. And to sweeten the deal, we're also offering tons of premium bonuses that are available only during the special launch deal. But make it fast, as this is a limited time offer. Once you close this page, this special deal will be a goner. To remove all risks, your purchase is fully covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. But you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, CBNova will only be available for a premium monthly fee only. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes zero. Click on the button below this video to get CBNova for the lowest price. Good luck. We'll see you inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.